Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your pen drive as an access point. You can use it to lock and unlock your computer to enhance your security. And it's very quick and easy to set up. But before we dive in, if you are new to this channel, I welcome you. And please don't forget to support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and turning on the bell notification for more tech tips. I really appreciate that. So let's get started. So to use your pen drive as an access point to lock and unlock your computer, you are going to use an application called Predator, okay? But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to use my VM, which I've launched already, to demonstrate how the Predator works, okay? So let's go straight to downloading of the Predator. So you can open any browser of your choice, and then you type this URL. So I'm going to open my browser. Then I'll type Predator, USB, 64-bit, okay? My operating system is 64-bit. If yours is 32-bit, you can download for 32-bit as well. So I'm going to hit enter on the keyboard. Then we are going with the first one, CNET. So we are going to download the Predator Free Edition 64-bit for Windows. So I'll click on that. And then this is where we can download the Predator, okay? This is the home page you can download the Predator, okay? So you can click on the download to download the Predator. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I've already downloaded the application into my VM. So let's go straight to the installation. So let me close this and open my VM. So this is the Predator I've downloaded, okay? So I'm going to double click on it. And then we double click on the Predator package to initiate the installation. So I'll click on next. Then I'll click on I agree to the license and click on next. Then I'll check the reset old settings and revoke all keys and click on next. So I'll leave the default and click on next. Then I'll click on next. Then I'll click on yes to allow these apps to make changes to the computer. Okay, so it's installing the Predator onto our system. Okay, so it's finished installing. So I'll click on close. Then I'll close this one. So this is the Predator icon. Okay, when you finish installing, this is the icon you are going to see. So you are going to do some changes in the Predator settings, and then I'll show you how to use it. Okay, so I'll double click on the Predator. And then you see before using this program, you must define a password and you must register a key. So insert a USB flash drive. So let me insert my USB flash drive. And then we demonstrate how to use the Predator, okay? So I'm using for my VM. So let me click on the VM and then Windows 10 64-bit and I'll click on OK. So I'll click on OK since I've inserted the USB drive and click on OK. So I'm going to set a password. Now click on OK. So now you see we have the Predator, okay? So monitoring is on. So we are going to do some changes in the settings. So let me click and right click on the Predator and then I'll go to preferences. So at the intervals, you can set the read intervals and the write intervals, okay, for the monitoring. So I'll change my intervals to 20 and I'll change the write intervals to 20 as well. And the alarm option, you can also change the alarm options here, okay? So with the sensitivity, you can make it medium or high. I'm going to go with high. And then I'll click on OK. Okay, so now everything is set and done. The moment I remove the USB drive or the pen drive, it's going to lock my system or it's going to lock the screen of my Windows 10. So let me demonstrate that to you and then we see how the Predator works. Okay, so let me remove my pen drive and then we see how it works. So I've removed the USB drive from the system. So let's see what happens. So you see, it's giving you a warning sign. This computer is protected by the Predator access control system. Intrusion attempts will be reported to the administrator. So you see, it's giving you the option to log in with the password or your USB, which you've created as an access key. So you see, if you're not able to log in, it will give you this access denied sign or symbol. Okay, meaning you don't have access to the computer. So when you have your USB drive, you can quickly insert your USB drive and then you log into the system. So let me log in to it and you see. Now I've inserted the USB drive, okay? So I'm going to click on the VM, Windows 10, and I'll click on OK. So let's see. I'll be able to log in. Okay, so to enhance your security, I think you need the Predator software and you need an access key for your PC. You can do this on your physical machine as well. Okay, but because of I want to demonstrate it to you, that's the reason I'm doing that on the VM. Okay, so this is the logs. This is the logs. So let me close it, and then I'll remove the USB drive again, and then we see how it works. So in 20 seconds, you see the PC get locked. So you need to enhance your security. Okay, for privacy wise, you need to enhance your security. Okay, so it's counting down, waiting for you to log in. So if you are unable to log in, it will give you this access denied. The alarm, so that everyone will see that there's an intrusion or there's someone trying to log into your system. Okay, so let me quickly insert the USB again, and then we see what happens. Okay, now I have access to my computer. It's very helpful. So you can try it at your end and leave the comment at the comment section below. Please, if you find value in this video, kindly support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and giving me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.